Or you out of low on video or battery.
That's fine.
Record whatever you want. Hey Kyle, dig a hole. It's even level. Probably shut the wrecker off, huh?
Oh, the compressor takes a little bit of juice.
It's charging. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you know when it's full? Does it pop off?
It's got an automatic shut off.
Right on. Yeah, it's gonna be a while.
I can leave it run all the time. I just don't,
I got you.
you know, because it leaks, so it'd be constantly on and off.
Like a CCI compressor or something? What kind of compressor's on it?
It's a Thomas compressor that they use on each on Hummers.
Ah, cool. Right on.
Yep.
So it runs all the time.
Well,
and
it
then-
can, but I don't leave it on all the time.
Oh, I gotcha. Has it got like electric clutch on it, or?
No. It's a 12-volt motor with a compressor head on it.
Oh, so it's not running off the motor. It's electric.
Yeah, it's electric, but
Huh.
it draws about 30 amps.
Wow. Cool. Well, and then what do you got? A 5-gallon tank on there?
Yeah,
Right
about a
on.
5-gallon tank.
Yeah, that's nice for trail stuff.
I got a automatic shut off on it that cuts it out about 100 psi and kicks it back on at 70.
Right on. Oh, you damn near run air tools off of it.
Yeah.
Short period of time anyway.
Yeah, you can do a 6-lug, a 5 or a 6-lug on one tank, but an 8-lug you gotta wait a little bit.
Unless you're running with those rednecks where the lug nuts are already loose.
Yeah, or you're missing a few.
Yeah.
I've only got 6.
It's an 8-lug, but I only have 6. I don't have the second bottle jack, so if we have to dual stage,
I got 2 of them, I think.
we can just. But I have a bunch more wood.
Hey, you need to be careful. You don't want to spill coffee. Some men get very crabby if they don't have coffee.
Right.
Grandpa and Uncle Dad, don't get on them and don't have coffee.
Or Heather. She can't talk right.
Oh, that's gonna bead right up.
Oh, she's there.
Yeah, that's all right. That should do it.
Oh, it's got to be hanging free on there.
You're good enough. Wipe the dirt out.
Yeah. Alright.
That's a microfiber towel. In the middle.
Oh yeah, she'll bead right up.
I know, these narrower wheels are great. Grab that bottle of water, John.
Yeah. Is it in your rig or is it mine?
It's in mine, in the middle.
Okay there, table?
Yeah. Hold it. Yeah, hold it for the time. It ain't leaking.
Looking at the back.
No, the bead's seated. On the bottom.
A little bit on the bottom. There you go.
There she goes. Watch your eyes.
We're good.
It's real dramatic.
Here she comes. looks like you're at about 75, 80 pounds right now in the tank.
Okay. You see the log hit?
Yeah.
Pushed her right up her over. And the bead's leaking. Imagine that. They didn't wreck the wheel, thank God.
Steel wheels, you just pound them back.
You should have seen what I did last time. There ain't no pounding that back. This whole thing is folded over. Where we're at. I'm gonna kick that front tire so I can see.
I got a gauge if you want in that blue box.
A little bit more. We're close. It's both the same, but I like to put a little bit more air in the rear, especially because this one leaks. You've got a thought. This big gash don't leak, but there's this little flapper that leaks.
Yeah.
Go figure.
Well, there's your trail side tire repair.
There's a vulcanized patch.